Today I'm gonna be taking out these locks now.
I see the fakeness with my eyes. Tell me that they love me, no they hating in disguise. Find it hard.
Honestly, I was feeling it for a couple of days, but I can't sleep, okay? The hair is kind of heavy. It's itchy. I have a hard time wrapping it up. That's why it just looks so raggedy. Now, it was cute while it lasted, but it's time for this to come on down. So today I'm gonna be taking out these locks. Now I know everybody has issues taking them out. Now I've done some with my friend and I didn't have no problem. So let's get to it. I'm gonna start in the front because you can see better in the front, you know. So what I always do is
I just gonna come on and bit. No
hook
like that, yeah.
And then I stretch it.
Yeah.
I don't remember
Don't
what
need a flat like the show.
I got rubber bands
All of
on
my
here
niggas,
from
you
when
know
I
they
had
be
it up in
wildin'.
my
One take my
hair.
bay on the cruise to the islands. Can't fuck with these niggas, you know that they blind. I told my mom I'm about a homo. Remember
At
them
this
times I
point,
was
I
stuck in the
basically
summer.
section from my
Trying to make
hair.
it.
And let me tell you what me and my friend did. We did not twist my hair up. So I don't know where my hair is, man. But for the first couple, I kind of like just scabby from my hair, you know? This is my hair right here.
Hey, yeah. I just gonna come on and bit. No hook. Straight like that, yeah. 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 Don't need a flat like to show off my diamonds. All of my niggas, you know they be wildin'. Won't take my bay on the cruise to the islands. Can't fuck with these niggas, you know that they playin'. I told my mom I'm about a homo. Remember them times I was stuck in the summer. Tryna make it, tryna run up some commas. For all of that shit, I could blow like a bummer. She told me I'm good, I gotta stay humble. I cannot fall, I cannot fumble. Be eating niggas like it's Royal Rumble. Squeezing the trigger like cookies, they crumble. Great that you sweet, but hey, yeah. I just gonna come on and bit. No hook. Straight like that, yeah. 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 Don't need a flat like to show off my diamonds. All of my niggas, you know they be wildin'. Won't take my bay on the cruise to the islands. Can't fuck with these niggas, you know that they playin'. I told my mom I'm about a homo. Remember them times I was stuck in the summer. Tryna make it, tryna run up some commas. For all of that shit, I could blow like a bummer. She told me I'm good, I gotta stay humble. I cannot fall, I cannot fumble. Be eating niggas like it's Royal Rumble. Squeezing the trigger like cookies, they crumble.
So to this next one, now I'm not going to show y'all all of these on camera. I just wanted to be a quick little, you know, because I know people be cutting their hair out when they do this. So I just wanted to help a little bit. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I mentioned in my last video, I said that, well, you know what? I don't even think I said it. I put it in the description box, and who reads those unless you're like looking at something weird? But I said that I'm finna do a giveaway. So once my channel hits a certain amount of subscribers, there will be a giveaway. So I suggest you guys turn on your notifications, subscribe, like these videos, and follow me on Instagram so you guys can be aware when that comes out. Yeah, you guys can watch me take down a couple more after this, and then I doubt you want to see me take my whole head down. But
hey, yeah. I just gonna come on and bit. No hook. Straight like that, yeah. 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 Don't need a flat like to show all my diamonds. All of my niggas, you know they be wildin'. Won't take my bae on the cruise to the islands. Can't fuck with these niggas, you know that they playin'. I told my mom I'm about a homo. Remember them times I was stuck in the summer. Tryna make it, tryna run on some commas. For all of that shit, I could blow like a bummer. She told me I'm good, I gotta stay humble. I cannot fall, I cannot fumble. Be eating niggas like it's Royal Rumble. Squeezing the trigger like cookies, they crumble. Greatest you sweet, but you know I'm not playing. Beat on that pussy like I'm in the band. Baby, come here while you call on your friends. Fuck what you saying, baby, I'm your man. My shooters do shit like it's gonna stand. They with the weapons, yeah, Pakistan.
So if you want, you can just keep watching. If not, then see you in my next video. Bye guys.
And I look at the trees, that's the green that I'm chasing. I stay on my own lane, you know that I'm pacing. She that panoramic, she dance on the dick. Taking it back like it was a pit sit. My dog in the pen, he got something to say. I just might take me a trip to LA to fuck on them bitches that live out their way. Fuck on that pussy, she know I don't play. I get to the money, it's every day. Duck up the shit, it's like every way. Boy, you not gang, you cannot hang. Remember them times they thought I was lame. Yeah, that's a shame. Yeah, slack, wipe it here, no. You hang with the us and I heard that you told. You was my bro, why did you fold? I just might go get a protect. I just might fit through the sex. I just might phone the best. Yeah, I just might re-rock them diamonds. These niggas be talking, these niggas not scheming. Just look at the way that my diamonds be beaming. When I shoot at these niggas, you know that they scheming. Can't fold with these hoes and I come to your show. Fucking these bitches out there, little show. Niggas don't get it by nut on her toes. Can't fold with these bitches, I had let it go. I might store it, these bitches, just store these niggas. Niggas be talking, these niggas be bitches. These biggie be bitches, these niggas be bitches. Can't fold with these bitches, these niggas so snitches. These niggas don't get it, these snitches get stitches. Might fuck on your hoe. I just might go to the store. I just might buy me a bag. I just might fit through your sad. Nigga, why you be talking, you calling your dad. Boy, you was scared, but you kinda fake. Look at the way that my body gon' cake. I get the money, I eat it like cake. Nigga don't get it, but you come my way. I just might spray, yeah. I just might spray, yeah. I just might spray. I just might fly to the bay. I just might hop in the ocean, she wet. I got umbrella, cause pussy is wet. These niggas don't get it, might shoot it, they bet. And I shoot through your chest, but you not the best. I get this shit and I do for the rest, yeah. My mama. Hey, yeah. I just gonna come on a bit, no hook. Straight like that, yeah. 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 Don't need a flat like to show all my diamonds. All of my niggas, you know they be wildin'. Won't take my bae on the cruise to the islands. Can't fuck with these niggas, you know that they playin'. I told my mom I'm about a homo. Remember them times I was stuck in the summer. Tryna make it, tryna run on some commas. For all of that shit, I could blow like a bummer. She told me
they said truth be told, cause I'm the prize. Let me tell you something true, girl. Rock with me, I'll show you a brand new